Hey, what is up, everybody? John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing? And in today's video, we're going to be going over two new phones coming to Metro by T-Mobile, guys. Yes, I have the sauce. I have the details. I have the juicy secrets, and I shall reveal those today. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty, guys. Now, this is an epic occasion because Metro by T-Mobile is supposedly, and this is all rumors, hearsay, whatnot, scuttlebutt, Ricky rumors, whatever the case may be. None of this is official, nor do I represent Metro by T-Mobile. It's just one man on the internet with his predictions that seem to come true almost all the time. Anyways, guys, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below what you think about this video or any other video. And yes, guys, I want you guys to go ahead and give your predictions. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. I'm watching. I'm watching you. Comment down below what you think these two Stylus phones are going to be that are coming to Metro by T-Mobile. All right. While I go ahead and get ready to reveal the information. And yes, guys, super chats are available, and just hit that little $sign while we're chatting it up right now, because I know we're live chatting right now. Everybody's commenting. Thank you guys for showing up to the live streams and all that other stuff and all that other goodness. And yes, I'm stalling a little bit, but because I have to get the information up. But here we go. The first one is going to be, I love Stylus phones. I don't know what it is about Stylus phones, but I like Stylus phones. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2nd gen launch date, supposedly in my head, is going to be around June 2nd. And the full retail price is going to be $319.99. So go ahead and leave your predictions of what you think the port-in price is going to be, new customer price, upgrading price, and all that stuff in the comments down below. We'll see if you're right. And it is not like the website. It is going to be 128 gigabyte and 4 gigabytes of RAM, guys. So let me see if I can think of any more information here. I think it might have a 6.8 inch full HD max vision display, 120 hertz display. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it also might have a 50 megapixel camera on the back, 8 megapixel, a 2 megapixel, and a 16 megapixel front facing camera. So these are the specs that I think, man, I think they're coming. I don't know. I'm not for sure. This is not set in stone. Okay, guys. It might have a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. It might have 128 gigabytes of ROM. It might have 4 gigabytes of RAM. Don't know. It might be 1 terabyte of storage with an SD card slot. I don't know. And also, it might have a 5,000 milliamp battery. It might have a face and fingerprint sensor. It might have a built-in stylus, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much what I can kind of glean for right now. And yes, guys, this video is sponsored by Dingtone. Dingtone. Get a free number to call and text whenever you like. As long as you have internet connection. The download link will be in the description down below. Thank you, Dingtone, for sponsoring this video. All right. Next. Not that one's out of the way. That was the easy one, guys. That was the easy one. This is the one that has me shaking. This is the one that has me shook. I had a dream last night. Or a nightmare. I don't know whichever one you want to say, but I had a dream last night, guys, and I was like, look, there's a lot of Stylus phones out here, right? There's the Samsung Stylus phones, right? You got the Note series, the S22 Ultra, all that, blah, 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 blah. You got the LG Stylo 1 through 6, all right? Got the LG Stylo 1 through 6. You got the Motorola Stylo phones, right? What if there was a new player, a new company doing the Stylus thing that was very near and dear to me? All right, guys, prediction time. what is the new company that is going to be coming out? Not new company, but what is the company that's going to be dropping a stylus phone on Metro by T-Mobile? I'm going to be telling you guys here in just a second, guys. Pulling up the information, or getting the information out of my head right now, guys, as we speak. I'm totally not looking at a website. I'm totally not looking at my screen right now. All right, are you guys ready for this? It's going to be the Tcl Stylus 5G. And I think from my dream last night, it's going to be launching on June 2nd. And it might retail for a full price of $269.99. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. Like I said, this is all rumors. This is all hearsay. This is all can go either way. It could come true. It could not come true. It could just be me talking out of my booty. Never know. So I'm thinking this phone is going to be a 5G phone. I'm thinking it's going to have a 6.8 inch full HD display, somewhere around that. Going to have a MediaTek processor, octa-core. It might have a 50 megapixel camera if I was a betting man. Might have a quadruple camera setup there in the back. Don't know. It might have 128 gigabytes of expandable storage. Maybe you could do up to 2 terabytes of storage with an SD card. And it might have a 4,000 milliamp battery. That's just my predictions. That's just what I think might be going on here, guys. That's what I think I might be seeing here in my head. Now, guys, I just hit you with something big. TCL coming out with a stylus phone. Dude, you guys already know. I love me a TCL phone. I love me a TCL phone. So, if this is the case, and if it's launching June 2nd, that gives me a little time to, scrape up some coins and go into my local Metro by T-Mobile dealer and getting this particular phone. Don't know what the port-in price is going to be. Don't know what the new customer price is going to be. Don't know what the switching price is going to be. But I do have my trusty Boost Mobile. My trusty Boost Mobile TCL that I use right now is TCL 20 SE right now. So I'm thinking that I'm going to switch off of this Boost Mobile SIM card. This phone's unlocked, by the way, so I can use it on Metro by T-Mobile. So I'm thinking I'm going to take this SIM card out of here and then go to my local Metro by T-Mobile and trying it out. What say you guys? What do you guys think? Let's go ahead and hit the commercial break, and then we'll do the rest of the video in just a minute.
It's 2022, and everyone and their mother is dealing with spam calls and spam text messages. So why not get a second phone number you can give out whenever you're signing up for services or paying a bill, so you don't have to deal with spam calls and spam text messages anymore? The solution is called Dingtone. Get a free real phone number that you can give out so you no longer get these spam calls and spam text messages. Download Dingtone for a real free phone number today, available on iOS and Android.
Alrighty, guys. Well, I hope that you thoroughly enjoyed the video. I hope that you guys thoroughly, are looking and are excited for these phones. And I'm merely here to hype it up. I don't know what the phones are going to be like. I don't know if they're going to be good. I don't know if they're going to be bad. I don't want to give any predictions. I don't want to give any type of you should get the phone or you shouldn't get the phone or whatever. Go out and buy it right now. That's for the companies to market. That's for the companies to do whatever they want to do. I'm just out here trying to live my best life, telling you guys some information that I might have heard from a birdie. All right. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Go ahead and hit hashtag TCL Motorola for the win in the comments down below if you reach the end of the video. And this has been your host. Oh, no. Oh, I almost forgot that. I almost forgot the positive message of the day, guys. Right? Oh, positive message, guys. If somebody hasn't told you that you're amazing today, they're doing something wrong. You guys are wonderful. You guys are so beautiful. You guys are so cool and awesome. And the world is a better place with you than without you. And don't let anybody tell you different. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now. Give up what you think, 'cause I got my eyes on you. Oh shit.